Alright. Blizzard of 22. What do you think, Kimba? Let's show them what happened. Come on. Pretty big snow pile from the plowing. See what's going on here. There's the house. We've got a lot of work to do.